Hello agus fáilte go dtí Clara, and now you're talking. Today we're going to look at some new words and phrases which are used when people are about to leave. If you have to leave in a hurry, you say Éist, Caima Imacht. Listen, I've got to go. Éist, Caima Imacht. Or just Caima Imacht. I've got to go.
Jane Thomas to Shaw.
Tá sé lein é a hort.
Caima Imacht. Slán.
Híine go lug. Éist, Caima Imacht.
Sé. Sé. Éiste bhhaid Caima Imacht. Slán.
Caima Imacht.
Portugal.
Immert Pella.
Caima Imacht.
Take another look at them.
Jane Thomas to Shaw.
Tá sé lein é a hort.
Caima Imacht. Slán.
Híine go lug. Éist, Caima Imacht.
Sé. Sé. Éiste bhhaid Caima Imacht. Slán.
Caima Imacht.
Portugal.
Immert Pella.
Caima Imacht.
Caima Imacht. I've got to go. Caima Imacht.
You might be asked, or you might want to ask, why someone has to go. Catia, why? Catia. We'll have a look at some examples with catia in them.
Caima Martinis.
Catia.
Caima.
Caima Mart.
Catia.
Tá má gáil clia pelle.
Bhfuil a cup of coffee?
Níl bhaigir maigad. Caima Mart.
Catia?
Tar an Gaeilge gom.
Caima Mart.
Catia.
Is an sé hug.
Caima Imachtanish. I must go now. Tamagoli Cleopella. I'm going to a football match. Tarang Gaeilge. I have an Irish class. Tasha sé chlog. It's 6 o'clock. Let's watch them again.
Caima Martinis.
Catia.
Caima.
Caima Mart.
Catia.
Tá má gáil clia pelle.
Bhfuil a cup of coffee?
Níl bhaigir maigad. Caima Mart.
Tia?
Tar an Gaeilge gom.
Caima Mart.
Catia.
Catia. Why? Catia.
In the next few scenes, you'll hear some other reasons why people have to go. You'll hear Tamagoli Crinu, I'm going to a meeting. Tamatorsa, I'm tired. Ta defrorum, I'm in a hurry. Tamamal, I'm late. Tamamal don drama, I'm late for the play.
Bhhaile Jo Helle.
Níor bhaigir maigad. Caima Imacht.
Catia.
Tá má gáil cruniú.
Caima Mart.
Catia.
Tá má tarsa.
Tá Jeffrarm Caima Mart.
Caima Mart. Catia. Tá má máil an drama. Slán.
Gramaigat. Did you understand them all? The first person is going to a meeting, the second is tired, the third is in a hurry, and the fourth is late for a play. Listen to them again.
Bhhaile Jo Helle.
Níor bhaigir maigad. Caima Imacht.
Catia.
Tá má gáil cruniú.
Caima Mart.
Catia.
Tá má tarsa.
Tá Jeffrarm Caima Mart.
Caima Mart. Catia. Tá má máil an drama.
Tá má máil. I'm late. Tá má máil. Ta Jeffra orm. I'm in a hurry. Ta Jeffra orm. Ta ma tursa. I'm tired. Ta ma tursa. Ta ma galig crinnew. I'm going to a meeting. Ta ma galig crinnew.
Coolrahan, Coleraine. Coolrahan means the little nook or corner of ferns and is one of the many place names to take its name from plants which are found in abundance in Ireland. For example, heather, grasses, rushes or thistles. Because of agriculture and development, in many cases the plants which gave an area its name are no longer as prominent as they used to be, but the name remains, as in Coolrahan, the little nook or corner of ferns. Some of the other plants which feature in place names are freach, heather, fair, grass, luachra, rushes, and fothney, thistles. You'll hear them all in the following place names. Inishfree, Island of Heather. Fairbawn, white grass. Luachras, rushy place. Fofany Wan, land abounding in white thistles. This is Dún Davan, also known as Mount Sandal, just outside Coolrahan. Dún Davan means the fort of two peaks, and at one time there was a great dún or fortress built here. At one time, Ulster was divided into two kingdoms, and legend tells us that the nobles, unhappy with this setup, requested that the High King of Ireland, Louis, make one kingdom of Ulster. So the two kings, Conall and Fergus, were summoned to Tara, where it was decided that Fergus would be the only king of Ulster. Conall, enraged at this insult, left in anger. On his way home to Ulster, Conall met the son of the High King who had just dethroned him and killed him. Fergus, now King of Ulster, had to avenge this death. In the ensuing battles, Dún Davan here was attacked and destroyed by an ally of Conall's. Conall was held responsible and had to flee the country, but he later returned and gathered a formidable force with which he took the throne of the High King of Ireland for himself. We're now going to learn some other useful sentences. We'll start off with Chief Matu, I'll see you. Chief Matu.
Tá brúnar mi héin a caiim mat.
Catí?
Tá má mátan clú pelle. Chifa ma tú.
Slán.
Ó, tá sé nuíomhlog, caiim mat.
Chifa ma tú, sláin.
Caiim Mart.
Catí?
Tá má tursa. Chief Matu.
Caiim mat inis.
Catí?
Tá craniú go me go tríhlog.
Chifamatu.
Chifamatu. I'll see you. Chifamatu.
Let's listen now to the Connacht and Munster versions of Caiime Amacht, Catía and Tamamal.
Wala Clufella?
Níwa, Camemocht.
Tia.
Tá ma dearnach an drama. Slán.
Magayor, Fekimahu.
A bhíon Caiime Amacht.
Give fall.
Tamamal. Fekimahu.
Caiig mé macht mhór.
Caibh.
The crinne go mar tíoch lug. Táim déanaach. Slán.
Slán.
Agus an bhd mas mé
Éist cad é mecht.
Come a hef.
Tam déanach. Slán.
Cíimeta.
You can be more specific and add a time, a day, and a place. For example, Chief Majaluntu, I'll see you Monday. Chief Majaluntu. Watch these examples and look out for Armagin in the morning, Anocht, tonight, and Tranona, evening.
Well, a cup of coffee?
Níor bhaid gur maigad. Caim mart.
Tea?
Tar an Gaeilge gom.
Tif mar margin too.
Slán.
Slán.
Caim mart.
Go tí.
Tá má gáil clia pelle.
Mai go leor, tefa me nachta.
Caim mart anis.
Go tí.
Caim ma. Tefa ma tróna tú.
Slán.
Caim mart. Inis? Tefa me go tíoch lug tú. Slán, slán.
Let's watch those scenes again, and this time pay particular attention to the last one.
Well, a cup of coffee?
Níor bhaid gur maigad. Caim mart.
Tea?
Tar an Gaeilge gom.
Tif mar margin too.
Slán.
Slán.
Caim mart.
Go tí.
Tá má gáil clia pelle.
Mai go leor, tefa me nachta.
Caim mart anis.
Go tí.
Caim ma. Tefa ma tróna tú.
Slán.
Caim mart. Inis? Tefa me go tíoch lug tú.
Chiffa me go tríoch lug tú. I'll see you at 3 o'clock. Chiffa me go tríoch lug tú. Chiffa ma tróna tú. I'll see you this evening. Chiffa ma tróna tú. Chiffa ma nocht tú. I'll see you tonight. Chiffa ma nocht tú. Chiffa mar magin tú. I'll see you in the morning. Chiffa mar magin tú.
Jin támata se?
Does your horror tree lug?
Caim mart. Tefa mar bail tú.
Slán.
Did you understand that last answer? Chief Marbaltu, I'll see you later. It's time now to pay another visit to Ballamore. Deirdre has a date with her old school friend Michal, which Shan knows nothing about. You'll hear a new word, sheab, a lift, and the phrase, Kurskarchara Mamara, give me a ring tomorrow.
Ayadi bhilm sheep.
Gen tamil.
Caim mé imachtanis, tá tréna le go mún sé go dtí seacht. A bhá mí bhilm sheep. Le the hole.
Mai go leor. Gotcha.
Caim mart.
Anis.
Anis tíre. Tá défran tá má gáil scanan.
Bí sahálig in hín déag. Mai go leor.
Cad ma te tú hen?
Mai, gus tú hain?
Bhí le fáda gom. Tá mar bag tarsa.
Well, Deirdre Sawala.
Tá. Tarsa.
Timar tatu?
Tá go mai.
Ar bhfuil a cup of tea and a coffee hen?
Níor bhaid gur maigad. Well, Deirdre seo.
Ó chusíigh scanan.
Ag scanan. Í halún.
Ba sí sahálig hín déag lug.
Tá brónar am chan hí mar gros.
Sin ceart go leor. Caim amacht. Chief Mischief. Slán.
Slán go fáil.
Hín scanan sin mhaid naró.
Se mai go leor. Ar bhhaile tanta.
Níor bhai.
Tá sé cara go dtín hín deag, caiim meach.
Caiú tú amach den is?
Anis díra.
Gotíí?
Caiim a gáil bháile tá má.
A fan tamil bagile, go dtí cearú né hín deag.
Tá brún orm, a ní híglom.
Well, chur scartar man mara.
Go déad efer fóin.
A sé, I ceir, a seacht, a hacht an chur scartar am ag sé.
Mai go leor. Chief me tú. Slán.
Sláinna dheardre.
If you want someone to stay a little while longer, you say Fan Tamil Bagilla. Stay a little while longer. Fan Tamil Bagilla.
Hey ma, Mart.
Fan tamil bagile.
Caihí me mart. Go tí Tá sean hí dé go bhog. Fáin tomul bagile.
Caim an bháile.
Gotíí?
Tá má máil.
Fan tamil bagile.
Tá ceir go dtín sé caiim me mart.
Fan tamil bagile.
Listen to them again.
Hey ma, Mart.
Fan tamil bagile.
Caihí me mart. Go tí Tá sean hí dé go bhog. Fáin tomul bagile.
Caim an bháile.
Gotíí?
Tá má máil.
Fan tamil bagile.
Tá ceir go dtín sé caiim me mart.
Fan tamil bagile.
Fan tamil bagile. Stay a little while longer. Fan tamil bagile.
To respond to Fan Tamil Bagilla, you say Mai Galore, all right, Mai Galore, or Ní Higlum, I can't, Ní Higlum.
Caihí me mart.
Dé?
Caihí me mart.
Fan tamil bagile.
Ní higlom. Caihí me mart anis.
Dín tamil se?
Tá sé charbh cearní trí.
Caihí me macht.
Fan tamil bagile.
Ní higlom tá Jeffrem.
Caihí me mart.
Fan tamil bagile. Why a cup of tea?
Mai go leor.
Caihí me mart.
Fan tamil bagile. Ní higlom. Dín támatá se. Seaart a log. Fáin go dtí le hengé se. Mai go leor. Lehéadí seaart.
Mai Galore, all right, or Ní Higlum, I can't. Let's watch those again.
Caihí me mart.
Dé?
Caihí me mart.
Fan tamil bagile.
Ní higlom. Caihí me mart anis.
Dín tamil se?
Tá sé charbh cearní trí.
Caihí me macht.
Fan tamil bagile.
Ní higlom tá Jeffrem.
Caihí me mart.
Fan tamil bagile. Why a cup of tea?
Mai go leor.
Caihí me mart.
Fan tamil bagile. Ní higlom. Dín támatá se. Seaart a log. Fáin go dtí le hengé se. Mai go leor. Lehéadí seaart.
Mai Galore. All right. Mai Galore. Ní Higlum. I can't. Ní Higlum.
Will Deirdre manage to cover up when she meets Shan? And will Shan manage to set her mind at ease about Imelda? The only difficult phrase you'll hear is Caihí and Van Shummershin. Who's this woman then? You'll also hear Ig Madison at my flat.
Bhí sa bhála hín deag chlog.
Tá má.
Dheardre. Bhí ar hir hall.
A dhéin.
Cáidir ó dúnacht.
Pwy mae hig scanan?
Hig scanan. Fi dwi hig scanan liat hain. Tá brón arm.
Tá sin ceach go leor.
A dheir de bóilm.
Tá isteach. Bí ciúin.
Deirdre?
Shaha Yadi,
Tá sé ceart go leor.
Ihawai Yadi, Ihawai Wamai.
Ihawai, Deirdre.
Cé hí an ban seo mar sin?
Imelda an animatóri. Tá sí gobar le dahar.
Tá sí gobar le methir?
Ar ógra ghail mídia. A smaile é bheith gobar leis.
Tuige manis. Tá brún ar am a dhéin.
Tá sin ceart go leor.
Deirdre?
Shaha Yadi,
Gyn tamad a se?
Cethú ní hín deag. Tá má gá baine. Tífa má tú.
A mar ag mar san. Dinne ige sé.
Wai go leor. Ihwai.
That's it for another programme. The workbook should help you with any words and sentences that you may have found a little difficult. Next time we learn words and phrases to do with the family and relations. Gajishan, Slán Tamil.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Caithfimid Amacht,
Katia,
Tá Gaeilge criniú,
Tama Tarsha,
Tá Jeffrarm,
Tama Mal,
Chifamatu,
Chifamar Majantu,
Chifamag Tríochlog,
Chifama Tranonatu,
Chifama Nachtú,
Fan Tamil Bagala,
Mai go leor,
Ní Higliam.